So, the EV people keep telling us that EVs are cheaper to run. They don't need as many repairs and they don't need servicing, any stuff like that. And yet here again we have a report in Car Dealer. EV repair costs currently 25% higher than ICE vehicles as Land Rover named least reliable brand. Warranty Solutions Group publishes latest market view report. Data reveals major, the SMMT can't even spell February. Data reveals major disparity in the average claim cost between electric vehicles and ICE models. Well, Car Dealer obviously think this is so bad that it's a double major. Used EVs cost an average of £827.55p to put right, analysis shows. The average cost of repairing a used EV is more than a quarter higher than the price of fixing issues with ICE vehicles, a new study has revealed. Now these, warranty company, you'd think they'd know, wouldn't you? They deal at trade, right? So you'd think they'd have a fair idea. Like EV Newt and No Sex EVers and the other people, the evangelists, they don't really know, do they? They just say things and they've not got a clue, they haven't got an idea. These people, they've got a warranty company and they repair cars. And trust me, unless when you put a claim in, you get absolutely everything right, they will reject it. If they think you're taking the mickey, they'll send an inspector down. So there's no, people hate EVs, so they inflate the costs. No, they don't. They have inspectors and they'll be straight down. Send the part back. Video it. So, no. The average cost of repairing a used EV is more than a quarter higher than the price of fixing issues with ICE vehicles, a new study has revealed. Data collected as part of Warranty Solution Group's latest market view report found a major disparity in the average claim costs between electric vehicles and ICE models. The firm found that, on average, warranty claims for EV repair costs £827.55p between March 2024 and February 2025. The figure was 26.78. I wonder how much that is in fifths. The figure was 26.78% higher than the average claim for ICE cars over the same period, which stood at £623.10. The analysis came from a study of 800 electric vehicle and hybrid warranty claims from a range of brands including Tesla, Polestar, Vauxhall, Audi, BMW and Porsche. According to the study, the most common issue get your act together, you're getting as bad as Auto Trader. According to the study, the most common issue with EVs was 12-volt batteries, which costed an average of £192.03 to replace. There were also multiple complaints about shock absorbers and charger points, which cost an average of £531.02 and £119.43 respectively. On the topic of shock absorbers specifically, WSG's experts put the issue down to EVs not having engine vibrations to naturally help distribute forces across the chassis. Well, that's a good one, isn't it? At the more expensive end of the scale, other common problem parts included air conditioning compressors, £1,193.79, and suspension arms, £1,058.23. Oh, well, so the shock absorbers, right, the shock absorbers come after the suspension arms, don't they? £1,058.23. So what do you think What do you think the shock absorbers? Is that the same thing? Is that the engine? The engine don't vibrate? Are the shock absorbers fastened to the engine? I don't get that. It's I don't get how they come up with that. When it came to reliability, Hyundai came out on top for EVs with a claim rate of 3.7%. The South Korean brand also had one of the lowest average claim costs in the analysis at just £309.46. At the other end of the scale, Land Rover was named the least reliable electrified manufacturer with a claim rate of 36.36. Now, I wonder if that's Land Rover or Jaguar Land Rover. I wonder if it's the I-Pace that there's all those on the used market at the moment and all those that got scrapped the other week because they couldn't fix them. WSG say the brand's electrified models, which includes a variety hybrid variants, have suffered from a mix of poor software execution, historical reliability issues, and complex failure-prone technology. Reacting to the findings of the report, John Collinswood, CEO of WSG, said EV warranty claims are significantly higher than ICE vehicles, mainly due to costly EV-specific components that demand specialised tools and expertise. I wonder why the 12-volt batteries aren't going on ICE cars. That's funny, isn't it? Lots more ICE cars as well. Dealerships offering comprehensive EV warranties play a pivotal role in addressing consumer concerns, fostering greater confidence and peace of mind in the transition to electric mobility. While EVs offer environmental benefits and potential long-term savings, stick to warranties, mate. UK motorists continue to express concerns over high insurance premiums. Well, the guy before from the insurance company was telling us how to sell EVs. Now this guy is telling the insurance company. It's funny, isn't it? Concerns over high insurance premiums, expensive repairs and battery degradation. Addressing these challenges is essential to accelerating EV adoption and ensuring consumer confidence. In our report, we explore these critical industry developments, underscoring the importance of robust warranties and innovative solutions. Together, we aim to empower our dealer partners, meet increasing customer expectations and deliver sustainable success in a dynamic and ever-changing market. And they all lived happily ever after in their EVs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.